Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this particular video, we will talk about formatting in Power BI and we will talk about how we can make the join or connect the tables in Power BI. Let's get into it. Now everybody can see the Power BI screen. Over here I have the data orders, returns and users. So this is my data looks like. This is something we have seen earlier also. And this is the data for just like an Amazon, who have been ordered, how much quantity it has, and what is the price for this. This is something we have seen, and what is the status, order ID, each and everything. But you can see users is the table which contains column 1, column 2. This not been happen. This is the issue in Power BI sometimes. Whenever you load the data or import the data in Power BI, sometimes it will unable to read the column names properly. So what we will do that at that time, let's go to the transform and transform the data. Open the users table. This something has been opened and go to the users table. It takes time sometimes. Okay, go to the users table and you can see users table contains column 1, column 2, and you can see region and manager. This is the column name, and Power BI knows that this is the issue in Power BI. So what we do, just select the column, any of them, and over here at the top, there's an option use first row as headers. Just select on this, and you can see now column name is region and manager. That's good. Now you can see sometimes whenever you read the data from Excel or CSV file, you can see this null, null, null value, right? Sometimes it happens at the time of reading a data. How we can remove this? Right click on the data or the column and click on this remove duplicates, right? Simply click on remove duplicates. Duplicates has been removed. Now this null value, only single value won't affect anything. Now click on close and apply. These changes will be applied to our data set and it will be reflected over here. You can see that this will be now column 1 and column 2, and it's been changed, manager and region. Now let's try to build some of the visualization clearly. Now what I will do, I will open the users table and I will try to build a chart. For example, I'm creating this table only. Simple table it is, right? Now I will explain you why we need to join the tables in Power BI. Okay. Now what I will do, I'll drag the manager, I'll drag the region. Okay. So the users table contain the manager and the region in which area this particular manager is working upon. Simply like this. You can see, okay. The manager name is Chris and he is working in central region. Manager name is Erin, working in the east region. Simple, right? Now what I'll do at that time, I will the orders table and I'll try to build one more bar chart. Simply, I will drag the region and I will drag the sales. Yeah, because we need a one column that contains a categorical value that contains a numerical value. Now this is my data looks like fine. Fine. Now you can see this data, this chart which I have built bar chart coming from the orders table. At the same time, this table coming from the users table. Simple. Now over here what I will do, I will create a slicer. Slicer means a filter. Click on this. This slicer will come over here. I want to make a filter based on raw ID, for example. Drag it over here and close this. Now this is the by default filter will come. What we have to do, select the chart, go to the formatting of my chart and go to the slicer setting and change the style. The style should be tile or vertical list. See, it looks better now, better than before. You can do it as a drop down also. Depends on you. Click on this and you can select it manually. But right now I'm doing this vertical list. Now see that whenever I change this, whenever I select 87, see this chart is changing. Okay, for this particular raw ID 87, I have a central. Central is the region and the sales is total 236 rupees or dollar, anything. I will select any another one, 94914, and I have region east and the sales is approx 31,670. That's fine. But whenever I'm filtering this data, this chart is changing, but this right hand side chart is not changing. So you will say, sir, how this chart will be changed? Because this filter is coming from the orders table. At the same time, this chart is coming from this orders table only. So these charts has the connection in between because both the charts are coming from the same table. But it's not true. What if I want to change this manager? I want to see the manager also particular region wise. If I select a raw ID like 1553, it should show me the manager also. I want to see the manager. Yeah, this chart is telling me the region, but I want to see the manager also. Can I see? Definitely. Now always remember when we are talking about I want to see the manager because this table is coming from to the different table. What we will do, we have to make the connection between the charts. How we can make the connection? Always remember when we are talking about make the connection between the tables, we need a same column name both the tables. I have a table name order, I have a table name user. You can see region column exists in user table, and in the orders table I have a region column. See, that means both the tables contain a same column name. It is mandatory. Without this, we cannot make the connection. Now we found the column name. Now go to this model view, click on this. Now, whenever we click on this, you can see orders table and users table. I want to make the connection between these two tables, orders and users. Now drag to the orders. You can see region column here. Drag the region column to users table, as simple as that. It will make the connection automatically. Now whenever we are talking about making a connection, now there are four types. Can you see this? Cardiality, many to many, many to one, one to many. These are the four types of connection between the tables, but we don't need to be take care about this. Power BI will handle this automatically based on the data. Now many to many means for one single value can contain the different conditions or different value to the another table. That is called a many to many. That means left hand side table can contain multiple value, right hand side table can contain a multiple value. Automatically it will identify and then click on OK or save button. The connection will be established automatically. Yeah, see, we can see the connection between the tables. Now go to the visualization again. Can you see this? Now I'm changing it. Okay, 2368. Okay, I can see the manager also. This has become changing now. 2408. See, in this particular raw ID 3168. Okay, the region is west. The region is west, and the sales is 236. And in this particular region west, William is the manager is working upon. If I want to make more information, I will reach out to William and he will give me the idea why I got too less in this much of sales. Why not high? All the information William will tell me. Why I did this? Because manager is the column exists in the another table. That is why. In the real world, these type of information exist in the another table, not into the same column or not same table. Another question arises, sir, why this manager or region column has a separate table users? Why somebody who have made the data, why that person did not put into the orders table? वो orders table के अंदर manager नाम का column क्यों exist नहीं करता? Because इन द रियल वर्ल्ड अगर हम सारी इंफॉर्मेशन पर्टिकुलर एक टेबल में रखेंगे, इट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड, राइट? कंफ्यूज भी हो जाएगा और बहुत बड़ा डेटा भी हो जाएगा एक ही जगह पे. दैट इज वाई ऐसा हम नहीं करते. तो अलग अलग टेबल में पीपल जनरली पुट डाउन द डेटा, और अगर हमें डेटा चाहिए हम कनेक्शन बनाते हैं. एज सिंपल एज दैट. So we have understood how we can make the connection between the tables. Power BI will make the connection automatically, चाहे वो one to one, many to many, many to one, whatever it is. At the same time, we will talk about the formatting of a chart. I will deselect this. Now you can see this my data looks like. Yeah. Now this is my filter. मैं इस filter को change कर दूंगा. Go to the slicer and the drop down. Simply. Now This chart, sir, that looks good. But sir, I want to do the formatting. Formatting means the color, the font, each and everything I want to change. This is called the formatting of a chart in Power BI. Select the chart, always remember, select the chart, go to this formatting. You can see this formatting of this chart. You can see x-axis. If you want to do something in x-axis, click on this. See, change the font. I want to change the font of DIN, anything, whatever you want. I want to increase the size of font. See, it's increasing, West. And this should be bold, underlined, italic, whatever I want. And color should be, sir, yellow. I want to see it. See, it's become yellow now. And height, each and everything we can adjust. And at the same time, title. Can you see the title? Title is region. Region is fine for me. I will not change this. Or you can say region by manager. This is something I'm changing. See, region by manager is coming. Whatever I want. And sir, who will tell us? Who will tell us कि मेरे को region by manager लिखना है या कुछ और लिखना है? Who will tell us? Business will tell you. Yeah, business will tell you. Your manager, your business requirement will tell you. Now go to the y-axis. Go to the y-axis and y-axis the values. I want to see the values into bold. Yeah, and more size. Din formatting should be yellow, anything, whatever we want. Title I want to change, not sum of sales. I want to see sales only. That's it. It looks better now. Now, sir, I want to see change this sum of sales by region and the color. Blue color is a by default color, sir. I want this color. I want different color. So what I will do, go down, go down. Can you see the columns? In these columns, there's a color blue. This is the by default color, but you can change it. That's fine. Now go to the orange. Orange looks better. This is my requirement. Anything, right? If you want to turn on the border for these charts, turn on the border. Go to the border. Color should be black. See, the border is black now. Transparency will be high. You can see this now. This is how it works. And the layout and many more options. This is the data label. Again, more of the options you can explore, but right now data labels is the option. Turn it on. See, data labels are there at the top. You can see. If you want, you can do this. Now value should be bold. I want to see the value should be bold, and the font is this, and the increase size. This is how it works. Looks better than before. Now, so this one, sum of sales by region. This is something coming into the left hand side. It not looks good for me. Yeah, I want to swing. I want to see in the middle. Go there, go to the general, and go to the title. Can you see the title? Now change this title. I want to see sales, sales, sales. Oh, come on. Sales by region. And select this in the middle. See, and bold, and yeah, that's it. This is something I feel like. Yeah, sir. This looks better now, better than before. This is called the formatting. Okay, sir, I'm good with that. But sir, at the same time, my requirement is, or my manager said, the background of this dashboard should be another color. Can I do this? Definitely. Why not? So go to the Google and write over there Power BI background images. Just go to the Google and see, go to the images, sir. I want to see this one. This one looks better for me right now, and I have to download this simply. This is the color. Right click on this, save the image. In my local system, I will save this images to the download section and images. That's it. It's become downloaded now. Go to the Power BI. Now go to this. Do not select any chart. There is an option of formatting of a page. Yeah. Go to the canvas background, canvas setting. All these information you have to explore. Canvas setting, canvas background. Select this image. There is an option. Select this image and select this. That's not a raw image. My image should be all the files. What was my file? It has been downloaded right away. I need to check whether it's downloaded successfully or not, because it's not showing me over there. File name is images. Okay, file name is images, and it should show me over here. Okay, this is the images file. Okay, open this. It's not showing over there. Okay, maybe we have to check the wallpaper. Just go back, change the wallpaper and images and turn it on. Okay, it's coming. Can you see this? It's coming, but it's not wide enough, sir. At that time, we have to change the formatting. See, go to the normal, fit. See, change the formatting options. This becomes better now. This is called the formatting in Power BI. And again, if you want to do more changes, just change the color of a chart. Looks better than before. See, go to the better options, go to the background color and each and everything. Effect should be not white. I want to see this blue. Anything, anything. This is how and we do the formatting. In the coming videos, we will talk about some more things in Power BI. Then we'll try to build the dashboard end to end in Power BI. That's it for this particular video. Thanks for watching it, guys.